Two parts of home buying process I get questions all the time, and it's inspections and appraisal. So let me give you a quick explainer. First, the home inspection. Once you're under contract on a home, this is how you're going to learn the details about its condition. An inspector will write up a report on HVAC, the roof, and everything in between. We can use that to get a clear picture of what you're buying and negotiate any potential repairs with the seller. Second, the appraisal. It tells you and your lender the home's value. This protects you from overpaying the bank from lending you more than what the home is. If there's any gap in between the contract and the price, and the appraisal will never get it together. Have questions about the home buying terms or steps? Let me know. I can clear up some questions that you might have. Give me a call, 773-550-4846. Let's set up a buyer's consultation and go over the entire process. We're here to hold your hand. I'm Hugo with Coldwell Banker. I am your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago, and I've served the Chicagoland and the suburbs with my team. Don't forget to share and follow us through our social media.